Yo, mido bena juko katan, Ghana juko kple efe juko katan. Akpini News ya. Alo Akpini nyajojo gbogbolo kple chacha le juko me alo ametsitsi gbo yi pe yavan la nye ya. Gbedasi ya mi kovena mi. Menye be miate juko rekere to alo miada amerekere anyi alo ada korodo rekere anyi o. Gake kple susu be miade miape jeje alo miape dekonu de go. Va sere fifia miape dekonu le bubu esi omi le kpokpo le yavan la bubu oji. Yata Akpini News kwedo edo kweji klikpa be ya gere pe tukome ya ponu kple amega ya ponu kple dumetichio pa sere fifia la Akpini News egere konta o gere dwanti dukome o segbeo le Kpando o gere ametichio gbo o se dekonu o se kojo chopo o se jojo chopo ple susube miape dekonu alo miape nyajojo alo gberegbe nyaona no te pe timatoe. Esia kple bubu tae Akpini News le VV na o novinye le VV na peduko le VV na mesiame. So we are embarking on tour and news. This is the channel Akpini News. So we are embarking on this not to sideline any ethnic group, but just to propagate our history, to preserve our history, so that in future our names can be heard. You know, the Europeans thought the Africans were not having history, but they've forgotten that our histories were embedded in oral tradition, they were embedded in talking drums, they were embedded in ethnomusicology, numismatics, and co. But this channel has come for you to know more about our tradition, for you to know more about the Efe people, for you to know more about the Efe statesmen, their contribution to the nation Ghana and the whole world. This and many more, we ask from you to follow Akpini News so that you can receive more in-depth knowledge about Efe people and the whole worldwide and Akpini people. That is the people of Kpando and the people of Ghana. Akpini Kpini.